This is the spelling pretest for Unit 2, Week 2. Number 1, anguish. The drought killed all the crops, causing great suffering or anguish among the farmers. Anguish. Number 2, backfire. My use of a solar cooker might backfire because the stove won't work if it rains. Backfire. Number 3, bicker. They bicker a lot, often arguing about global warming. Bicker. Number 4, gimmick. Silver sunscreen is just a gimmick to catch your eye and get you to buy the product. Gimmick. Number 5, harsh. A harsh winter makes me wish for a gentle spring. Harsh. Number 6, homesick. I get homesick because I miss sunny Arizona, where I grew up. Homesick. Number 7, lackluster. The cloudy sky made for a dull, lackluster landscape. Lackluster. Number 8, perish. This crop could perish, dying because of the heat. Perish. Number 9, shattering. Today's heat is shattering or destroying the old record for this day. Shattering. Number 10, shawl. When the sun came out, I removed the warm knitted shawl from around my shoulders. Shawl. Number 11, shielded. I shielded my eyes from Mr. Pope's bright red hair. Shielded. Number 12, shimmer. A faint shimmer of light twinkled across the pond. Shimmer. Number 13, shrine. The sun's dazzling rays shone into the shrine, impressing people who came to worship. Shrine. Number 14, stricken. Their marathon runner was stricken with heat exhaustion and was hospitalized. Stricken. Number 15, threshold. He stepped over the threshold of the doorway and walked out into the garden. Threshold. Number 16, aisle. I walked down the aisle of the home improvement store to look for solar landscape lighting. Aisle. Number 17, aisle. I'll put the lights along the walkway near the shrubs. Aisle. Number 18, aisle. They'll light up the sky like a lighthouse on a tropical isle. Isle.